Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best dorm chair is probably one of the most crucial pieces of furniture for any student setting up their new living space, offering a comfortable and functional spot for studying, relaxing, and even hosting friends. With countless options available, from ergonomic wonders to stylish statement pieces, finding the perfect chair that balances comfort, durability, and aesthetic appeal can feel like a daunting task, especially when space is often at a premium in dorm rooms. This review aims to simplify your decision-making process by highlighting top contenders that will transform your dorm room into a cozy and productive haven, ensuring you have a reliable seat for all your academic and social endeavors throughout the year. Number 5. Urban Lifestyle Faux Fur Saucer Chair. Settle into a seat designed to fit your body. This saucer chair, in a gorgeous neutral black, will suit any room decor. Its silver, sturdy metal frame complements its look, adding comfortable seating wherever you need it. Provide a convenient and ultra-cozy spot for friends or family. It's sure to become everyone's favorite place to sit or lounge. You'll love the maximum comfort and durability it offers. Covered in super soft faux fur, it adds to the touch and coziness. This durable material makes it so comfortable to relax and enjoy the moment. You won't want to get up from it. Its foldable steel frame supports up to 225 lbs and folds flat. This makes it easy to hide out of sight without taking up much room. It's also easy to transport. Measuring 29 foot, HX32, WX22D, it's an ideal size for kids, teens, and young adults. The sizing is designed at its absolute best, making it a practical, multifunctional purchase. Get comfortable right away. This chair requires no assembly, so you can start relaxing the moment you receive it. Enjoy instant comfort and style. What we like. If you're looking for ultimate coziness and a touch of luxury, this chair is for you. Its super soft faux fur makes it incredibly inviting for lounging. Plus, its foldable design means you can easily store it away when not in use, perfect for smaller dorm rooms or for those who like to rearrange their space. What people say. No assembly required. The fabric is thick since it's fur. It's lightweight but good quality. The price was right and it fits perfectly in my bedroom. Number 4. Lohoms Accent Armchair Set of 2. Elevate your space with this armchair's timeless mid-century modern aesthetic. Its clean lines and elegant linen look fabric seamlessly blend with any decor, offering both style and support. Experience ultimate relaxation with its ergonomically designed features. The plush seat, supportive back cushion, and curved armrests provide exceptional comfort for all-day lounging and reading. Crafted with a solid wood frame and high-resilience sponge, this chair is built to last. The stain-resistant microfiber linen fabric ensures easy maintenance and durability, supporting up to 350 pounds. Its compact size makes it an ideal addition to any living room, bedroom, apartment, or home office. It also serves as a welcoming seat for guests in reception areas. Setting up your new favorite chair is a breeze. It comes partially assembled, and with the included guide and accessories, you can enjoy tool-free installation in just 10 minutes. What we like. If you need stylish seating for two or want to add a coordinated look to your space, this set is a great choice. The mid-century modern design adds a touch of sophistication. Its ergonomic features ensure comfort for reading or relaxing, making it ideal for couples or roommates sharing a living area or home office. What people say. It was easy to put together and it looks beautiful. Well made and cozy. Great as a little reading chair for our guest room. These chairs were easy to put together, took us 10 minutes. They'll look great in our living room, the color is just right and brightens our room up. Number 3. FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed. Introducing the FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed, designed for your ultimate comfort and effortless style. It's the perfect addition to any living space. Experience cloud-like comfort with our high-density foam that maintains its shape and support for years. The breathable linen fabric is gentle and durable, featuring a washable cover for easy care. Say goodbye to back pain. Its adjustable backrest perfectly hugs your body's natural curve, while the included pillow provides targeted lumbar support for hours of comfortable lounging. No assembly required. This versatile piece effortlessly transforms from a cozy chair to a comfortable bed in seconds. It's perfect for accommodating guests or enjoying lazy days. Built for longevity, it features a reinforced design with secure straps and heavy-duty zippers. You can rely on its stability and smooth operation for years to come. Maximize your living area without compromising on comfort. Its compact, foldable design makes it ideal for small apartments, dorms, or any space needing flexible seating and sleeping options. What we like. If you often have guests or need versatile furniture for a small space, this convertible sofa bed is a game changer. It easily transforms from a chair to a bed, offering a comfortable sleeping solution. The adjustable backrest and washable fabric make it practical for everyday use and easy to maintain, perfect for dorms or guest rooms. What people say. The chair is very comfortable for long study sessions. It has a sturdy build and doesn't wobble, which is great for a dorm room. The adjustable height feature is a lifesaver for different desk heights. Number 2. FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed. Experience cloud-like comfort with our folding sofa bed. Its high-density foam provides lasting support without sagging, while the breathable linen fabric feels gentle on your skin. Plus, the removable cover makes washing a breeze. Say goodbye to back pain. This sleeper chair features an adjustable backrest that perfectly contours to your body. The included pillow offers targeted lumbar support, allowing you to relax for hours without discomfort. No tools, no hassle. This fold-out chair bed comes fully assembled and converts from a chair to a bed in just 1 second. It's perfect for accommodating unexpected guests or simply enjoying a lazy day. Enjoy peace of mind with its reinforced design. Heavy-duty straps keep the backrest secure, and premium zippers are built for long-term, frequent use without snagging. Maximize your living area without compromising on comfort. This compact sofa bed folds down easily, making it ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or any space that needs flexible seating and sleeping options. What we like. If you need a compact and functional seating solution that can also accommodate overnight guests, this convertible sofa bed is an excellent option. It offers a quick and easy transition from a chair to a bed, ideal for impromptu sleepovers. The adjustable backrest provides personalized comfort for lounging or sleeping, making it a great fit for studios or small apartments. What people say. Zero smell, on the firmer side, very comfortable, pretty thick, perfect for when my kids have friends over. Great quality. It took about 24 hours to fully puff up. Easy to fold out and fold back up. No overwhelming when you get it out of the package. Converting it from a bed to a sofa is extremely easy and smooth. It's not only beautiful but also well-made and high quality. The comfort level is great, whether you're using it as a bed or a couch. Number 1. Giant Plush Beanbag Chair with Armrests. Experience unparalleled comfort with this oversized beanbag chair. Its high-resilience shredded foam filling provides a perfect balance of softness and support for a truly snug feel. Generously sized at 4 feet wide, it comfortably supports up to 400 pounds, offering ample space for adults and teens to stretch out or even share. It's perfect for solo relaxation or social gatherings. Crafted with durable corduroy fabric, reinforced stitching, and an anti-slip bottom, this chair is made to withstand daily use. Enjoy years of reliable comfort and style. Its sleek, modern design effortlessly complements any decor. This large beanbag couch is a perfect addition to bedrooms, dorms, living rooms, or gaming spaces. Designed with supportive armrests and a spacious seat, it offers exceptional comfort. This ergonomic chair helps relieve back strain and promotes better posture for hours of relaxation. Whether you're reading, gaming, or just relaxing, this beanbag chair is your ultimate cozy retreat. It's designed to elevate your relaxation experience to a whole new level. What we like. If you crave ultimate relaxation and a casual, cozy vibe, this oversized beanbag chair is your perfect match. Its plush shredded foam fill provides a sink-in comfort that's ideal for gaming, binge-watching, or just chilling. The built-in armrests add extra support, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to create a dedicated relaxation zone in their bedroom or living room. What people say. This chair is comfy and really big, my son and his friends love it. They are all 5'6" and higher and can lay across it and be super comfortable. The size is exactly as advertised, they're filled very well, and they have a little weight to them, in a good, sturdy way. Mine expanded quickly right out of the package. The fabric is incredibly soft, and I didn't notice any chemical smell at all when I opened it, which is rare for products like this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.